how to update your Screencastify extension. Go up to your web browser, and you're going to type in Chrome extensions, just like that, the slashes and the colon. Okay. First thing you're going to do is over here on the right, you're going to click to turn on developer mode. Okay. Once you've done that, you're going to click update. What that's going to do, it's going to update all of your extensions to make sure that they're updated. You'll notice down here it says extensions updated. Once you've done that, you have updated all of your extensions, and you should now have the new toolbar for Screencastify. And this toolbar is pretty amazing. Okay, so I think it's pretty fun. So you have all the same functionality as you always have had. Okay, so if I click pause, you can pause and then play again. It's just over here. When you stop, there's the stop. The mouse options, right now I have the circle enabled, but check this out. When I click the mouse, there's clicks, there's the focus like before, there's the classic, which is your pointer, but now we have fireworks. So when I click, fireworks go off. Add a little pizzazz to your instructional videos. Also, just click back there to get back. There's still the pen for drawing. You can draw all over your board. Clear the screen is right there. Choose your colors. Go back again. Now you can draw rectangles. You can choose your shape of your rectangle. And if you want to draw some focus and put a rectangle, you can do the rectangle and then clear your screen to go on. Again, choose all the colors. Going back, there's stickers. You can choose any of these stickers. So if you want to do say you're giving students some authentic feedback on a writing response, boom, 100%. Or give them a thumbs up next to a sentence you thought was great, or a smiley face, all while you're giving video feedback. Okay, then you can clear the screen and move on. Go back, there's an eraser. You can turn the webcam off right there. If I click that, my little webcam video right there is just going to go away. If you want to get rid of all this stuff, push over the side. Your tools can go anywhere on the screen now. They're not just down there on the bottom, which is really cool. And then just like before, when you're done, you stop, and it's going to take you to that screen where it's going to automatically show you what your video looks like. All right. There's my video. Okay, so I hope you like the new tools. I think they're pretty rad, but again, you'll need to follow those steps to update your extensions in order for these tools to go live. Hope you enjoy.